1.
So Selby's in first. Look at this one, this rattle of the jaws. Just for a moment, you thought it might drop. But it didn't happen.
Eight. Nine. $16. $70. $24. $25.
Still a loose red for Selby. Oh, he's gone into them. Well, didn't expect that. But it was the right choice in the end.
32.
The spin that he put on that just ensured the cue ball didn't stick to the red that he caught full.
33. $40.
Marginally better pot success in the second session. All of Selby's stats are going to be higher in this session. He's played so much better, and he's also attacked the table.
$48. $49.
Well, this will be 7 reds, 7 blacks.
$56. $57.
Well, this will give us an idea whether Selby
64.
has got his thoughts on a maximum here. Does he roll this through for the blue or screw back for the black? The frame isn't safe yet.
65.
Well, Carwyn Wilson, if he's watching, might just be sitting a little uncomfortably. Made a 147 earlier in the tournament. Holding on to the prize money for that at the moment. He's overplayed this, though. And the frame, as I was saying,
72.
not safe. So, decision time for Selby. Yeah, overshot that by a good foot. Oh, he's on the black. It's on now. Fair play to Selby.
73.
Now, a chance to get into the reds here. Oh, they split nicely. Oh, now his hope.
80.
Red to left centre. It's there.
81.
Oh, they know. Well, everyone willing Selby on here. I suspect
88.
the only person that isn't is Carwyn Wilson.
$89.
The only headache for Selby. The red on that left cushion. He's okay.
96.
Just screw this back for the black. Needs to
97.
slow down. He's just gone a little far. Can he hold this now for the red? Brings up the century, and that's okay.
104.
13 reds, 13 blacks. This is now
105.
the all-important shot. Can he get behind this red or get it off the cushion? He's going to go behind it, and he's played it well. Doesn't want to be dead straight. He's not. I don't think he's going to play that any better. Just needs to roll this in. Clean as a whistle. And he's perfect on the black.
113.
Perfect.
120. 122. 125.
£40,000 for a maximum, 15,000 for the highest break, £55,000 in Kyron Wilson's pocket at the moment. Selby is looking to pick his pocket.
129.
Right side of the blue. 3 shots away from being part of history.
134.
Well, this final has been breathtaking. And he is perfect. Oh, playing to the crowd, Mark Selby. What a moment, what a player. What a maximum.